Hello everyone, my name is Satoru Shiwata from Nintendo of Europe. Today I'm happy to do Nintendo Switch unboxing. I'm actually first time to touch. Please allow me to touch much earlier than you because this is my privilege. Okay, let's start the unboxing. Wow, this is an actual box. Quite small and quite light. And this is the front, back, and Nintendo logo, many pictures, and many warning. Okay, so let's start opening. Actually, from here, jajan. On top, you can see immediately hardware and Joy-Con. Very nice color Joy-Con. Okay. Top side, these two. First, I will take hardware. Wow, this is a real Nintendo Switch. Backside, nice Nintendo Switch logo. And the stand in here, actually quite light. Very nice side. Okay, stand like this. I can show. Nice. 素晴らしい. And important two Joy-Con, colorful Joy-Con that I want to show. This is a neon blue left side. Neon red is the right side. Actually, very nice side. This is a perfectly fit my hand, like this. And this actually you can attach to the hardware. I will show like right side. Nice sound, like this. Now making a handheld mode. This is a very comfortable size. I like this one. I definitely do bring to my business trip. Okay. And next item, maybe I want to show this one really important items. This make Nintendo Switch to attach to TV, so home console. This is a dock, Nintendo Switch dock. This is a nice black items, black logo and the Nintendo logo here. And this actually can dock in. Very nice. And you can attach to the TV. Okay. Other items, very important one first. Joy-Con grip. That's Nintendo Switch. You can freely to choose how to play. And this is one of the important items. This you can attach to the Joy-Con to here and can play. Maybe I will try. Okay. Remove like this. Remove like this. Easily slide in. And this right side. And make Nintendo Joy-Con dock. Like dock. And the light in here, and circulating is really nice. Very comfortable. It's very light. That's beautiful. So you can see this is a really beautiful. And other items I will quickly show. This is a Nintendo Switch important information. I'm not sure how important, so I'll put in here. And this cable this HDMI cable. This is attached to the dock to the TV. This is a cable. And you can see this time, including the AC adapter. This is really important. Okay. And last items. These are another important items. 2 Joy-Con strap. This protects you to throw Joy-Con to the very expensive TV. And very comfortable to play. So these 2 you can easily attach to the Joy-Con. So that's I think this is all item. Now this is a empty box. But probably I will keep this box into my living room. This is a really nice box. Okay. Yeah. See? These are all items, beautiful items. Okay, that's all. So please look forward to the March 3rd. Okay, I will try Nintendo Switch. This Switch, I will switch on. But sorry, I cannot show you. Happy gaming.